Welcome! To find out what kind of damage an ice skate can cause, I made some parts of Ballistic Gel mannequin. For this video I will be using ice skates with standard blades. In this first test I will run the ice skate over a hand. Let's see what happened. I weighed 85 kilos, which affects the depth of the cut. As you can see, the cut is very deep and has reached the fake bones. Now I will try the same cut, but this time the hand is protected by a winter ski glove. This time the glove prevented the cut, but there are still some marks. To be sure, I repeated this test twice. As you can see, there are some marks, but no deep cuts. Comparing the two results, it's astonishing how much the glove prevented serious damage to the hand. In this test, I dropped a skate onto the ballistic gel from about 1.5 meters. Let's see what happened. Despite having added extra weights inside the skate, the cut did not reach the fake spine. Rather than a clean cut, it tore the gel around the area. In this test, I delivered two kicks, one light and one strong. As you can see, the first one created a small cut, while the second one tore open the gel, reaching all the way to the fake skull. I tried to simulate different types of accidents, but not all of them caused cuts. Sometimes the skate simply moved the mannequin parts without causing any damage. By testing it various ways, it's clear that enough pressure is needed for the blade to cut, otherwise it doesn't slice. Here I'm using a much sharper blade than the one on the skate. However, despite this, it doesn't cause any noticeable damage unless there is a specific movement of the blade and applied pressure.